Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 02 of the video lecture series Vectors. Vectors, we have already started vectors. Fun class number 01 has already covered, okay, where we have solved the basic concept questions with shortcut tricks and tips. So if you have not seen that video, please go through this video. What is this? Solve in 30 seconds. क्या solve करना है 30 सेकेंड में? ये भाई सबसे important है direction quotient and direction ratios with examples. So at the end of this video I am going to be a shortcut trick to find out the DCs and DRs of the vectors. Definitely we are doing fun with maths. Okay, let's get started. So what are the direction cosines and direction ratios? We have already covered this topic in detail in 3D geometry. Okay, so please go through the fun class number 02 of this 3D geometry so that you will get the very basic concept behind this direction cosines and direction ratios. Why in 3D geometry? The best part of this vector and 3D geometry is what? Sir, 80% of the syllabus of these two topics are same. ठीक है, इसमें भी डायरेक्शन क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, रेशियोज रहेंगे, उसमें भी है प्रोजेक्शन, इसमें भी है, उसमें भी मैक्सिमम ना सिलेबस है ना दोनों का सेम है. सो if you are perfect in one topic, the other topic will be of very useful to get the marks. ठीक है, उसके लिए पढ़ाई ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जस्ट थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक कंसेप्ट डिफरेंस वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. दैट डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन दीज वीडियोस. ओके, सो व्हाट आर डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस? मान लो एक वेक्टर है, सो आई विल कवर वेरी शॉर्ट. सो एक वेक्टर है OP बार and this vector is making an angle of alpha, beta and gamma with x, y and z axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are known as the direction cosines, and these are also denoted by L, M and N. Yes, very well. What is the relation between L, M and L, M and N is L square plus M square plus N square is always equals to 1. This is what the relation between direction cosines. Okay, so what are the direction ratios? Direction ratios are any three values A, B, C, any three constants which satisfy this condition. L is equals to M is equals to N, so divided by A, B and C. So what is the condition is L by A, M by B and N by C should be equals to some constant value K. So these are the direction ratios. Again we have covered that there is only one direction cosine to one vector, and there are n number of direction ratios for a single vector. Okay, this we have already covered in the 3D geometry. Please go through that video. So what is the relation between the direction ratio and direction cosine? Okay, so L is equals to, it is plus or minus A upon root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equals to plus or minus B upon root of A square plus B square plus C square. And N is equals to plus or minus क्या है? C upon root of A square plus B square plus C square. Yes, so this is what the relation between A, B and C. And suppose if I take this as R, so your A becomes what? It is plus or minus LR, B becomes plus or minus MR, and C becomes plus or minus NR. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So what is shortcut trick? What is shortcut trick? So first let me take one example. From that example I will tell you what is the shortcut trick. What is the direction ratio of vector A bar I plus j plus 2 minus 2k, and hence find its direction cosines. Now first thing, understand, whenever they are asking the direction ratio, the direction ratios are nothing but coefficients of I, j and k. These are the coefficient of I, j and k. So what are the direction ratios of this vector A bar? तो क्या है कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आई जे क्या है 1,1,-2. हो गया सर, आंसर मिल गया आपका. कितना टाइम लगा आपको? 5 सेकेंड. ओके, सो 5 seconds फॉर द डायरेक्शन रेशियोज, एंड हेंस फाइंड इट्स डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस. अभी डायरेक्शन कोसाइन कैसे निकालेंगे? These are nothing but A, B, C values. So we know the relation between A, B, C is nothing but what? Root A upon root of A square, B square, C square. So first of all, L is equals to what? It is plus or minus. A is what? 1 upon root of A square is 1, B square is 1, C square is 4. So ये हो गया भाई plus or minus 1 by root 6. This denominator is same for LMN. So what will be m equals to? M equals to क्या है? It is b upon root 6. And what is n is equals to? It is minus 2 upon root 6 plus minus 2 upon root 6. So the direction cosines, the direction ratios are what? These are the coefficients of I, j, k. So in this we have the direction cosines of 1, 1, minus 2. And direction cosines are what? These are nothing but LMN, which are nothing but 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6 and minus 2 by root 6. Okay. Now if you observe very carefully what we are doing while finding the direction cosine, we are dividing this vector a bar. Suppose it is I plus j minus 2k. Divide this vector by squares of ijk terms. It is 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is nothing but I plus j minus 2k upon root 6. So this is what? Vector divided by its magnitude is what? It is a cap. It is a unit vector. So what are the direction cosines are? Sir, direction cosines are the कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आई जे के ऑफ द यूनिट वेक्टर. ये देखो आई का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है 1 बाय रूट 6, जे का क्या है 1 बाय रूट 6, के का क्या है माइनस 2 बाय रूट 6. ओके, सो दीज आर द डीसीज. क्या क्या हो गया भाई? ये जो है ना ए बार का अगर रहेगा तो डायरेक्शन रेशियो से, ए कैप का रहेगा तो डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस हो गया. सो व्हाट इज द ट्रिक इज फॉर अ गिवन वेक्टर drs are always coefficient of I, j and k in a vector. Coefficient of I, j, k in a vector, and the DCs will always coefficient of same I, j, k, but this time it is a unit vector. Please remember, DC के लिए unit vector चाहिए and dr के लिए जो given vector that is sufficient. Okay, so based on this let's try to solve the question. So what is the direction ratio for this vector? Vector given है, so direction ratios will be what? Ijk coefficient of a given vector. So 3, 1, minus 2 are the direction ratios of this vector. And let's find the direction cosines. So first to find out the AB cap. So AB cap will be what? Vector divided by its magnitude. 3i plus j minus 2k divided by its magnitude is what? It is 9 plus 1 plus 4, which is nothing but 3i plus j minus 2k divided by it is root of 14. Now this is what? This is my AB cap. So what are the DCs? DCs are nothing but 3 by 14 root 14, 1 by root 14 and minus 2 by root 14. That's it. This is your answer. कितना टाइम लगा सर? 30 seconds लग गए भाई. समझाने में इतना टाइम लगा तो सोचो, इफ यू डू ऑन योर ओन इट विल टेक हार्डली 30 seconds डेफिनेटली. सो रिमेंबर द ट्रिक. dr के लिए गिवन वेक्टर इज सफिशिएंट, dc के लिए इसका यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना. दैट्स इट. ओके, तो क्या करना है? थैंक्स फॉर वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. ठीक है, अगर आपको ये पसंद है तो क्या करना है? आपको 3 काम करना है. ओके, एक तो लाइक करना है, एक शेयर करना है एंड कमेंट भी करना है कि आपको ये ट्रिक कैसा लगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज सब्सक्राइब तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई अभी तो दूसरा वीडियो चल रहा है. बहुत सारे वीडियोज है जिसमें बहुत सारे शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स आने वाले. ओके, सो सब्सक्राइब किया तो कि फ़ायदा क्या है उसका कि वेन एवर आई अपलोड द वीडियो आपको डायरेक्टली नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा कि भाई संगमेश सर ने हैज़ already uploaded the video. Thank you.